The Eclipse of Hope, understanding its meaning and use. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, the Eclipse of Hope. This metaphorical expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication skills. Let's explore its significance, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations and writing. The eclipse of hope refers to a situation where hope is temporarily obscured or diminished, much like how the moon blocks the sun during an eclipse. It doesn't mean that hope is gone forever. Rather, it's hidden behind a temporary challenge or difficulty. This phrase beautifully captures the feeling of going through a dark phase, where optimism and expectations are overshadowed by despair or trouble. The concept of an eclipse serving as a metaphor for darkness or loss is not new. Historically, eclipses have been viewed with awe and sometimes fear, symbolizing change or turmoil. By equating hope with a celestial body that is temporarily obscured, the phrase evokes a powerful image of darkness that will eventually pass, revealing light once more. It's used in literature and speeches to add emotional depth and to convey the resilience needed to endure hard times. To help you better understand how to use the eclipse of hope in context, here are a few examples. During the long recovery after his illness, he experienced an eclipse of hope, but he never gave up. The economic downturn led to an eclipse of hope among the community, yet, they stood united in the face of adversity. She read the letter over and over, feeling an eclipse of hope with each word, yet she knew this feeling was only temporary. When you want to express a temporary loss of optimism or a challenging period overshadowed by difficulty, this phrase can add depth to your narrative. It's particularly effective in creative writing, motivational speeches, and situations where you wish to inspire resilience and the belief that brighter days are ahead, despite current hardships. Understanding and using phrases like the eclipse of hope can enrich your English language skills, allowing you to convey complex emotions and situations with elegance and depth. Remember, the key to mastering a new language lies in exploring its nuances and expressions. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase for you, and we look forward to bringing more insights into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.